Alright, run it. I'm gonna guess 420. Alright, welcome back to the channel. You guys really enjoyed me reacting to your keyboards, but today we're gonna do the same thing with a twist. Similar to the previous one, I got you guys to provide details, pictures, and a sound test of your keyboard. So using only the sound test and pictures of your keyboard, I will be trying my best to guess the price of your keyboards. Before I check out your keyboards, be sure to check out Swiss.studio, the brand I've been working on, including desk mats and t-shirts. The Splash collection is ending at the end of August before we release a new collection. So go check that out if you're interested, go grab them really quick. We have a lot of submissions. I think we have triple of what I had the previous time, so I'm gonna do it selectively and we're gonna start off with the first entry. The first entry has to be inside. It is by Soda and it looks like a really old school keyboard. I don't really know what these are called. I think they're called IBM. I'm not really familiar with this, so this is a really challenging one. Through the picture itself, these vintage keyboards tend to be a little bit more expensive. I'm gonna go for about a $400 price range for now. The keycaps look really clean, they look really slick, but I do not think it is GMK because of the caps lock. GMK caps locks are not like that unless this is an older set that I do not know about. But let's take a look at how it sounds. They sound somewhat tactile and you can tell it's one of those old keyboards. Okay, I'm gonna go for a total price of $350. Let's take a look. I'm stupid. I quit. No. It is an NCR80 box white V2 box noble yellow on spacebar Shenpo keycaps for a total price of $160. I am so far off. I am gonna... Oh Jesus. Hi, you realize I cut my hair? I'm here to tell you about today's sponsor, PCBWay. PCBWay is your one-stop shop for printing PCBs, fabrication of CNC, aluminum, or 3D printing. It is extremely user-friendly. All you have to do is upload your 3D models or your PCB designs and you're about 99% done. If you want more customization options for your PCB, go with their advanced PCB. They have different color options for their silk screens and solder mask. And they also do provide test reports for the PCB for free. Currently, they are having a discount up to 20% off for their 4 layers or 6 layers PCB. So if you ever want to print your own PCB, go to PCBWay. Link is in the description down below, and let's get back to reacting to more keyboard. Moving on to the next one, we have Alfred. We have this Alice keyboard. It is a Sesame. It says Sesame right there. I have not seen this before. Keyboards I have not seen before are more interesting and more challenging for me to do this. But it looks like the keyboard is like really DIY, but it is sold by someone else. So if he bought it, I would buy that for $250. No, I would buy that for like $200. But let's take a look at how it sounds first. I would pay $200 for the board. In total, I think it cost $280. Okay, wait, we have the specs first. It is a Sesame Ergo Gateron KS3 yellows, loop with Craddock Stove 5 grade 0 spring swap with 50g springs. KS3 yellows, really cheap. HK Gaming Dreamer keycaps, which is, I think they are pretty cheap. I have never heard of them. Stables. Oh, stablers. There are no stabilizers on this. No mods. Okay, my original price was $280, but that's because I haven't saw the specs. But since I saw the specs, I would go with a solid price of $180. Huh! It's $75 US without shipping. My god, I'm so bad. Am I even gonna get one? Alright, moving on. We have one by Dirty Gingy. He looks like a CIY Guess 67, I think. It looks like a CIY Guess 67. Yeah, it's definitely CIY Guess 67 because there's a switch at the blocker. It is SA keycaps. These are the max keys. They are pretty expensive to my knowledge at least. Now we give the sound test a listen to see if it is good switches or not. Okay, it is clicky switches. Okay, the Guess 67 is about like $50 US. The Max Key, to my knowledge, it's about like 150. So there's 200 with switches, maybe like $50. I'm gonna go with $250 US. Close. This one was not bad. Guess 67, $34 on Taobao. SA Oblivion are $280. Oh, what? That's Oblivion. I'm stupid. Zero Clickies, stock. $100 for the amount in this board. A total of $314.50. Really nice board. Really nice board. I really like the Oblivion. How did I not know it was Oblivion? Ooh. The next one we have is by Semi Lalaboo. This is one of the more premium builds out there. It is a masterpiece, GMK masterpiece, definitely recognize. As long as it's Japanese and blue, I definitely know what it is. Masterpiece. He has a key called brass keycap as a novelty. Board looks like a D60. It looks like a D60. Yes, it looks like a D60. HHKB layout. Table looking really nice. The spacebar though. Holy crap. Alright. I get it. The top speed, this guy. Okay, this is probably a really expensive board. Let's say the D60 is $300. GMK Masterpiece, he bought it retail maybe about $180 for, so we're at a total of $480 right now. Okay, let's say without that Rama keycap, it is $500. Including that, it'll be $550. Add on $20 for all the mods he does, $570. KB Defense D60 X GMK Lazurite for $120. What? Oh, it's a D60 Lite, not a D60. Oh, Everglide Moyu Black Spring Swap with TX Long 60 grams, Tribosis 203, Krytox 105 on springs for $55. TX Stabilizers R2 $20. GMK Masterpiece $200. Rama X Keycard Brass Artisan for $75 for a total of $470. God damn, I'm bad. But the board looks really good. You know me, I love Striker, so Masterpiece is one of those huge ones for me. It's not even a want, it's a need. I really like the whole combination of blue and white. The gold adds a really nice accent as well. Alright, our next one is by Xena. It looks like a Geonworks keyboard, if I'm not wrong. Keycaps, not too sure what are they. Never seen them before in my life. They are brown or retro in general. I'm not a huge into that kind of guy. Sounds really good. Okay, the board sounds really good. I don't really know anything about it. All I know is it looks like a Geonworks board because it's a wind keyless. Or is it? Yeah, it probably is a Geonworks board. Alright, run it. I'm gonna guess $420. It's a Mr. Suit Lilac Wind Keyless. It costs $850 including 3 plates. Taxi Purple Panda Linears Carrot Recolors $50 for 100 pieces. TX Clip-ins $25. CRP Tulip R4, those are the keycaps. Yeah, I know of CRP keycaps, but I don't really know how they look like. $150. In total, it costs $1,074.90. Jesus Christ. And for our final one, we have Kibro. My man, we're gonna go with Kibro. It is the, oh wait, MW65, he's giving it to me. Whoa, it sounds good, really good. I forgot how good MW65 sounds. Okay, those keycaps are not very expensive. Like black and white, like $50 maybe. $50, MW65, he got it for, let's say $50, 100 plus keycaps, it will be $60, $160. Wait, there's no, oh. Where's the price? There's no price. What? Yep, there is no price. Cool. I'm gonna guess I got it right. Alright, but aside from that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video reacting to my viewers' keyboards once again, but with this guessing price thing. I actually really enjoyed myself doing this. We should do a part 2, right? but I'm gonna think of something to put on the line when I'm guessing your keyboards. Maybe like a free, maybe I'll give out some, I'll think of something, I'll probably give away something for guessing it wrongly. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing that, go ahead and leave like, subscribe, comment your thoughts on this video down below, and remember to check out Swiss.studio, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.